When a lawn goes ignored, grass can die, weeds start to grow in, fungus can settle, and visible patches will form. If you're trying to fix a neglected lawn that's covered in weeds or lawn disease, then this guide will show you the steps you need to take to restore your grass to its best health. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Before you proceed with any treatments or applications, you need to know what type of grass your lawn is made of. Herbicides, fungicides, fertilizers, and other lawn care applications have different application rates that depend on your grass's exact species. So, learning what grass your lawn is composed of will give you more context when shopping for different products. Depending on where you live in the United States, your lawn can consist of warm season turf, cool season turf, or a mix of both. If you live in the southern portion of the US, then your lawn likely consists of warm season turf like St. Augustine grass, Bahia grass, Bermuda grass, or zoysia grass. These grass species actively grow in hot, humid temperatures of up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live in the northern portion of the US, then your lawn likely consists of cool season turf like Kentucky bluegrass, fescue, bent grass, or perennial ryegrass. These grass species actively grow in relatively cooler temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Another thing you should do before you apply any products to your lawn is to conduct a soil test. A soil test will give you information regarding your soil's texture, its pH levels, and its nutrient makeup. This information will help you determine what to look for, especially when picking out a fertilizer. Finally, calculate your treatment area's square footage. Measure your lawn's length and width and multiply them together. You'll use this to figure out how much product you'll be using. Inspect your property to find broadleaf weeds, grassy weeds, and any fungi or diseases that have been established in your lawn. For established weeds, use a post-emergent herbicide that's labeled to treat your specific weeds and that's safe to apply over your turf. One product we recommend is Expel Turf Herbicide. Expel Turf Herbicide is a suspended concentrate made with sulfentrazone. This product is labeled to treat over 50 types of broadleaf or grassy weeds in certain cool season grasses and certain warm season grasses. Read the product's label for a complete list of labeled weeds and tolerant turf grasses. In a cool season lawn, you'll mix and apply 4 to 8 fluid ounces of Expel with 10 gallons of water to treat 1 acre. In warm season grasses, use 8 to 12 fluid ounces instead. To control fungi and lawn disease, use a fungicide like Patch Pro. Patch Pro is an emulsifiable concentrate made with propiconazole. This product will control a broad spectrum of diseases like brown patch, powdery mildew, and blights. Depending on the disease, you'll mix 0.5 to 4.0 fluid ounces of Patch Pro into 1 gallon of water to treat 1,000 square feet. Over time, insects, weather, and neglect can stress turf grass, causing it to thin and become bare. If your lawn looks worn or has bare patches, it's time to reseed. For warm season turf, plant seeds in late spring to late summer. For cool season turf, the best time is late August to early October. Spread seeds on bare areas by hand or with a hand spreader. For larger patches, use a push or broadcast spreader. Afterwards, wait 30 to 45 days before any pesticide application or mowing. It's easy to assume a lawn will recover on its own, but issues like fungi, diseases, or weeds can persist if your lawn isn't well nourished. If your lawn lacks nutrients, it won't grow well and might become discolored, thin, or grow bare patches. To revive your lawn, you can provide the necessary nutrients using appropriate fertilizers. The best fertilizer for your lawn will depend on several factors, including local climate, geographical location, and turfgrass species, so your product choice will vary. For applications in the spring, check out Solutions 15-510 Weed and Feed Fertilizer with Trimec. In most treatments, you'll apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. In summer, check out Solutions Pro Grow Summer Blend. This is a 19-4-10 fertilizer, and you'll apply 5 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. In fall, check out Solutions Fall Grow Fertilizer. This is an 8-12-16 blend, and you'll apply 5 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. Use a spreader to evenly distribute the fertilizer, apply half in parallel lines and the rest at a perpendicular angle. Water the area after applying the fertilizer to activate it. Revitalizing a neglected lawn requires a blend of knowledge, careful planning, and effort. By understanding the specific type of grass in your lawn, conducting soil tests, tackling weeds and fungi, and providing appropriate fertilization, your lawn will recover and grow green and lush. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and lawn maintenance is made simple, and we offer free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.